You gotta see this one.
Wait, hold on.
There's nothing in it.
Yeah. Then what's this little thing?
I don't know.
Kit Kats.
What do you think?
Looks like a
yeah,
Kit
Kit
board.
Kats. Twix. Kit Kats.
Yeah. You're squishing me.
Twix.
Sydney's doing it.
Kid likes candy. He's gonna have a sugar rush.
No, it's just Twix.
He's gonna be
He loves
awake
Twix.
for a week.
Nobody touches it. He's gonna be sick for a week.
Do you think your mom only got you Twix for your birthday?
Probably. Times are tough. Yeah.
That is jerks. Oh, what's this?
Oh.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Ooh.
Get over here.
What could it be?
Is it ticking?
Boom,
No,
boom,
I don't think
boom,
so.
boom.
Guys, sit down. I can't see.
Call the bomb squad.
I'll sit down.
Sydney, back up a little bit.
Everybody, Gavin is speechless.
Oh! Alright!
Gavin, you're not done. You still have Dad.
Wait.
Guys, sit.
Morgan, sit down, please.
That's awesome.
Move away from the gadget with buttons.
That is awesome, huh?
The tissue paper party.
So, Gavin, what is it?
Go away.
I don't think it's one of them things, because I already
Could be just an empty package or something in it, you know.
Go away.
Just a picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gavin, tell everybody what it is.
It's a phone. Go away.
He wants to make sure it's real.
Uncle Keith doesn't know what it is.
What is it?
Uncle
Hang
Keith
on.
can't see anything.
No.
Are you making sure it's real?
Hang on.
I think he is.
Making sure that like somebody didn't
He
try
doesn't want to get too psyched.
Make sure there's not like an almond bar in there or something.
It's a Milky Way.
A squished one.
Yeah. It's a Milky Way candy bar.
Gavin, what are you going through?
Everything. Good daddy and good man.
Yes, it's real.
It's real.
Did you see what we go? Ooh, I like you.
Bad
Ooh, I like you.
Mom. I want it.
Morgan, sit.
It does have battery life.
He really is speechless.
Daddy said stop.
You like it?
Wow.
Gavin, can I see your face?